Hey guys, in this video we are going to see the craziest app ever, and the app name is Versus. In this Versus app you can actually compare everything like smartphones, cities, graphic cards, universities and much more. Just click on tap here. You can compare up to 7 items. You need to fill those 2 items and you need to click on the compare button. After clicking on the compare button, you can see this type of interface here. So I choose the Vivo iQOO 90 and OnePlus 70, and after that clicking on compare button, you can see the comparison winner of this is iQOO, and you can see the overviews, prices, reviews and specs, and you even see the price range of this, and it will also show you the winner of this Versus, and after going down you can see the specs of OnePlus 70, and after sliding down you can see the Vivo iQOO 90, and you can even see the image clarity, about RAM, about phone, battery percentage, music, etc. I hope it was helpful. For more, subscribe to my channel Rohithtech.